Good morning. First question. Find area under y equal to 2x minus x square and x-axis. Solution. So y equal to 2x minus x square will be of x into 2 minus x. Correct now? If I try to equate it to 0, y equal to 0 we equate correctly because I want to plot this graph. What are the roots that I'm getting out? X equal to 0 and x equal to 2. It's a downward parabola which gives you like this 0 and 2. Correct? And we are interested in finding out the area under this curve. That means this particular portion, the area we are interested in. Correct? What is that? Integral 0 to 2, 2x minus x square. Correct, students? 2x ka integration is x square minus x cube by 3. Limits are from 0 to 2. 0, we don't have to substitute. 2 is 4 minus 8 by 3. 3 4 is 12 minus 8 by 3, 4 by 3. That's our answer. Please write it down. Area bounded between two curves. Okay. Imagine you have two curves and we are interested in finding out the area between them. Then how are we supposed to find it out? That's the question. So imagine we are finding out the area between them towards the x-axis. Matlab, you have a curve y equal to g of x, y equal to f of x, and between them we are trying to find out the area from A to B. Okay, so that is this particular portion area. Yes or no? So towards the x-axis, if you are trying to find it out, area between the curves, see, one thing that you need to remember is upper curve minus lower curve. That is our mantra for it. Okay, so your integration will be from integral a to b. Upper curve is what? G of x minus lower curve is what? F of x dx. So basically what we are trying to do is g of x can achieve whatever is the area, we are trying to find it out. Subtracting that, from that we are subtracting this particular portion area. We will get the area between them. Yes, all the students?
Yes,
and
sir.
Yes.
this is true in when f of x and g of x are in any way, provided g of x is the above curve. मतलब आप ये सोचिए, sir, what if somebody asks me, sir, what if my f of x is like this and g of x is like this? Then is it the same thing? G of x है, ये f of x है. Then also is it same thing? If your question is that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then also it is the same thing. Do you understand it? Or what if you say, sir, below x-axis both the curves are there? Then also it is same thing. Okay, let me draw it a little better. Why? Because we are subtracting the curve, we are making sure area is positive. Because g of x, since it is above, y values of it will be more. Is it clear, students?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So x-axis ka position, it doesn't matter. G of x ka y values are more. When I subtract, I'm trying to create a positive y value. Is it clear? In all these cases, it doesn't matter. Upper curve minus lower curve. Now, when does it matter then? When f of x crosses g of x, then it matters. Matlab, in all these cases, area is this only. Okay, yeah. What if you have it like this? Matlab, this is x-axis. Your f of x is going to, your g of x is going to be like this, and your f of x is going to be like this. And we are interested in area between A and B. Okay. Then what do we need to write down? And this particular point of intersection will be solved, that is C. And let me shade the region also. This is one region and this is another region. So area between them is like this is only, right? This is what we need. So how do we find it out? Is area in this case is integral A to C. Upper curve for A to C, mein upper curve is what? F of x is above, G of x is below. So f of x minus G of x dx plus integral C to B. C to B, G of x is above, G of x minus F of x. So every time, I told you this already, when you write your integral itself, you are making sure that your answer is going to be positive. Your area answer is going to be positive. Is it clear, students? Please write it down. Next concept is area in y direction. So if you are finding out area between two curves, but in with respect to in y direction, like I discussed about like one parabola and circle, right? Area in y direction. If you want to find out like this, then how do we apply the formula? Observe this. So imagine you have two curves. Okay, this is one curve and this is another curve. Okay, this is x equal to g of y. This is x equal to f of y, and we are trying to find out the area from C to D. So area will be integral C to D g of y minus f of y dy. This is the area. Now, how do we solve this? Or what is the mantra here? It is not upper curve minus lower curve. There is no upper curve, there is no lower curve among these two, right? So we will write it like this: rightmost curve minus leftmost curve. So the curve that is on the right side minus the curve that is on the left side. Any doubt, students? Students, any doubt? Imagine if you have a situation where they are intersecting. Matlab, your one of the curve is like this and another curve is like this. Now what is the area? This is C, this is E, and this is D. So area included is this particular portion and this particular portion. And this is, I'll write it as y equal to g of, sorry, x equal to g of y. And this I will write it as x is equal to f of y. Area will be what? Area will be integral. There are two portions, right? पहले C to E में upper curve is f of y minus g of y dy plus E to D में g of y minus f of y dy. Write it out. Find area between y equal to 3x minus x square, y equal to x square minus x. How do we solve it? First of all, between two curves, like there are only two curves, both are parabolas. One is an upward parabola, and there is a downward parabola. We know it. Your first step is solving them and plotting accordingly, right? Solving them, 3x minus x square is x square minus x. You will get 2x square equal to 4x. And what will you get? X equal to 0 and x equal to 2. X equal to 2 they are making. Now let us plot the curve. This curve is a downward parabola with 0 and 3 are the roots. 0 and 3 are the roots. This curve is an upward parabola with 0 and 1 are the roots. So 0. Zero and 1 are the roots. And where they are meeting at 2. Now we need to find the area between them, right? As I told you, area between them is here. This portion we need to find out. And x-axis don't matter here. Like most people think that, sir, with respect to x-axis, we need to do all these things. Matlab, I meant x-axis is in the middle. Will it change anything? No. As long as you are writing upper curve minus lower curve, we don't have a problem. So what is the area? Area is, we are integrating from 0 to 2. What is the upper curve? Upper curve is downward parabola wala. 3x minus x square minus lower curve. Lower curve is what? X square minus x dx. You understand, students? What do you get? Integral 0 to 2, 4x minus 2x square dx. That is 4x square by 2, 2x square minus 2x cube by 3. Limits are from 0 to 2. That is 8 minus 16 upon 3. That is 8 upon 3. Please write it down. I guess you got the point, right? Like how we are doing it. Please write it down. Prove area of circle x square plus y square equal to a square is pi a square. Like simple question. It's all of you know that it is pi a square. I don't have to do it, but here we are doing it by integration. We are doing it by integration. Now, how do we solve it by integration is, see, this is the circle, correct, right? And radius a. But instead of doing the entire integration, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to integrate only this portion into 4 times. Of course, we know that, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we know, this is center 0, this is a comma 0, correct, students? So we can integrate with respect to x-axis or y-axis. You can use anything. So what we can do is, area is what? 4 times integral 0 to a y dx. What is y from this? X square plus y square equal to a square. Y square is a square minus x square. Y aata hai plus or minus root of a square minus x square. Correct enough? Now if you look at it, just a minute. Now there are 2 things here. See, either plus or minus aana chahiye. In circle, you know, the upper portion is y equal to root of a square minus x square and lower portion is y equal to minus root of a square minus x square. Correct, students? Because y coordinates are negative in the below and above it is y coordinates are positive. So we are integrating upper portion, in fact, root of a square minus x square, and limits are from 0 to a. And we have a direct formula for this now. That is 4 times x root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Correct?
X
Limits
by
are from 0 to a.
x by 2.
X by 2.
X by 2, sorry, my mistake. X by 2 square root of x square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Now, when you substitute x equal to a, this is 0. When you substitute x equal to 0, this is 0. Correct? Now, either way, that is 0. So 4 into what? Where do I need to substitute? I need to substitute in this a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus a square by 2 into sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. 4 into pi a square upon 4. Answer aayega pi a square. This is one way to deal with it. Okay. Another is one thing I want to tell. See, all of us know it is 4 times, right? One standard mistake students do, especially when it deals with symmetric curves in exams, is they don't write this 4 at the starting step, thinking we will do it at the end. Baki area calculate karenge. But in speed, once they get the problem is sometimes integration takes longer. Once they get the integration, substitute the limits, they forget the fact that they have to multiply with 4, or sometimes it is 2, because above area you found out and below area you have to multiply with 2. They forget that multiplication and that option will be waiting for you. Okay, standard mistake most of the times. So they did everything. Like you look at all the 5 steps or 6 steps they did. End में they just have to multiply with 2 or 4 and they forgot that. And that option will be there. Is it clear, students? Please remember this point, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is method 1. You can also deal with this like this. See, we know area is 4 times integral y dx, right? And 0 to a. So, we know the parametric of circle when we start the question itself, because unlike, see, not only circle, like there are many curves, you know the parametric straight away. So, आप substitute करते ही y is what? A sin theta. X is a cos theta, a sin theta, right? That's the parametric. So, x is a cos theta, dx will be what? Minus a sin theta d theta. So, dx be minus a sin theta d theta. Limits will be from what? Since x is a cos theta, when x is 0, lower limit is x is 0. When x is 0 equal to a cos theta, theta 90 degrees. When x is a cos theta, theta will be what? 0. So practically what we are getting is 4a square into 0 to 90 sine square theta minus 4. I interchange the limits for minus. Now you know Wallis theorem for it, right? 4a square into, answer is half into pi by 2 for this. Pi a square. Do you agree with this, students? So integral y dx is the area with respect to x-axis. Y and x, we know the parameters. So substitute the parameters. And limits, how do we get it? X equal to a cos theta, x ka jo corresponding values aap le lo. This is like a substitution only. Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Please write it down. Prove that area of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is pi ab. I asked you to remember this formula in ellipse chapter, right? Now we are deriving it, okay? Derive it quickly. Prove that area of ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1 is pi ab. Listen to this. Prove that area of ellipse is pi ab. So we know how our ellipse is, right? So what here also I will do the same thing. Here I will do the area of this particular portion from 0 to a. Again, our integral is integral y dx, students. What is y dx? Y is, see, we know parameter point is a cos theta, b sin theta, correct? Na? B sin theta into x is a cos theta. Differentiation of this dx will be minus a sin theta d theta. Correct? Limits will be from what? When 0 equal to a cos theta, limits is 90. When a equal to a cos theta, a cancel cos theta 1, theta 0. So minus की वजह से integral change, limits will be interchanged. 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta, and we know how to integrate this. That is ab into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So pi by 4 ab आया. So what is the area of ellipse? That is 4 times this integral value. Answer is pi ab. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Please write down. Find smaller area between x square plus y square equal to 4 and x equal to 1. So we can actually avoid calculus for it. We can do it normally also by using geometry. But let us do by calculus. See, this is a circle with center or origin and radius 2. And we are drawing x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is like this. We need the area, shorter area, matlab smaller portion of this area. That means we need this area into 2 times. Correct? Na? Niche and upar, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how do we find it out? This is 1. I will take area equal to limits. See, this is area under the curve theta, correct? Now, area will be what? Integral 1 to 2. Upper portion of the curve is y dx, right? Y is square root of 4 minus x square dx. Correct? Now, what is the integration we will write? That is x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, 4 by 2 into sine inverse x by a, x by 2. From limits are from 1 to 2. Correct? Now, इसमें 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो 0 है, बट 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे माइनस हाफ इंटू रूट 3. Correct? Actually, area is twice this, right? My mistake. 2 times. So we are going to multiply this also with 2 times. So 2 times minus 1 by 2 into root 3. Now in the next one, when I substitute 2, that is 2 times sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Minus when I substitute 1, 2 times sine inverse half is pi by 6. So we are getting minus root 3 plus 2 times, like actually 4 times 90 minus 6, 30 is what, 60. So plus 4 pi by 3. Correct, students? Students, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Please write it down. Find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x square by 4 plus x by 4 minus half in 0 to 2. X square by 4 plus x by 4 minus half, integration from 0 to 2. Now, this if I do directly, that is wrong. Why? I'll tell you why. First, let us understand the curve y equal to x square by 4 plus x by 4 minus half. I will take LCM x square plus x minus 2. If I split the numerator, that is x plus 2 into x minus 1 upon 4. So the curve is a parabola that we know, and it has 2 roots. What are the 2 roots? One is minus 2, another is plus 1. And we are interested in finding out the roots area from 0 to 2. You cannot apply 2 times one of the portions because it's a parabola. It's not symmetric with respect to x-axis. It is symmetric with respect to its, you remember, axis of the parabola. So we need area for this. 0 to 1 may it is going to be negative, and 1 to 2 may it is going to be positive. So we will write it accordingly. So area is from 0 to 1 minus of f of x minus x square by 4 minus x by 4 plus half dx. From 1 to 2, it is x square by 4 plus x by 4 minus half dx. Now, this is minus x cube upon 12 minus x square upon 8 plus half x, limits are from 0 to 1. From 1 to 2, this is x cube upon 12 plus x square upon 8 minus half x from 1 to 2. So, one substitute karenge, this is minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 8 plus half. One substitute karenge. 0 to we don't need to substitute. In the next one, 2 if I substitute, that is 8 by 12 plus 1 by 8, sorry, plus 4 by 8 minus 2 by 2. Then 1 substitute karo, minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. Now you can see that half is 1, that will get cancelled here. Correct? Now we are getting 8 by 12 is 4 if I cancel, that is 2 by 3. Correct? Or we'll do 8 by 12 like this only. See, 8 by 12 minus 1 by 12 and minus 1 by 12. That is 6 by 12. 6 by 12 is half. Similarly, 4 by 8 minus 2 by 8. That is 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. Any doubt, students? Please write it down. Find area between x square plus y square equal to 1, x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1. Now, in fact, this is kind of easy because of circles being equal. If circles are unequal, then the problem will start. Okay. Each one of them is passing through their centers also. Matlab, the first circle has center, origin, radius 1. Second circle has center 1, 0 and radius 1. This is x-axis and next one is y-axis. Now, where they meet, that is what we need to find out. We need to find out the area between them, right? So, I will try to solve them by equating y square. Y square in first curve is 1 minus x square. Y square in second curve is 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. So, which will give us x square equal to x minus 1 whole square. X square equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. X is half. They are going to meet at half. So, this particular line is x equal to half. So what we need to find out? We need to find out area of this since it is symmetric in a proper way about x equal to half, about x-axis. So I will find out this particular portion of area into 4 times I will do. Can we do that, friends? First circle ka O wala portion of area.
Yes.
So area is 4 times integral half to 1. And what is this circle? The circle is x square plus y square equal to 1, right? Root of 1 minus x square dx. Correct, students? What is that? That is 4 times x by 2 root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse x. Limits are from half to 1. Now, 1 substitute karenge, that will be 0. Half into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus half substitute karenge, that is 1 by 4 into root of 1 minus half, root of 1 minus 1 by 4, that is root 3 by 4 plus half into sine inverse half is pi by 6. Correct, students? So I will get root 3 by 2. This is minus root 3 by 2, right? This is minus root 3 by 2 as it is. And this is pi by 4 into 4, pi minus root 3 by 2, 4 into pi by 12, that is minus pi by 3. So we are getting 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. That's all. Clear? Right now. Y equal to 4x square. The curve is going to be like this. And y equal to 2x square plus 9. That curve is going to be like this. Okay. This is at x equal to 0, it is at 9. Correct? No? 0, 9. Now, how do we solve them? Like we just equate the y values, first solve them. Now we will get 2x square equal to 9, x is equal to 3 by root plus minus. So this is 3 by root 2 and that side it will be minus 3 by 2. Correct? No? So we need area between them. What will we do is we'll try to find out the area on one side into 2. We can do that. Area on one side will be what? So area equal to 2 times integral 0 to 3 by root 2. Upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is 2x square plus 9 minus lower curve 4x square. That is 2 times 0 to 3 by root 2. 9 minus 2x square. That will give you 2 times 9x minus 2x cubed by 3. Limits are from 0 to 3 by root 2. Substitute 3 by root 2. That is 18 times 3 by root 2 minus 2 by 3 times 3 by root 2 whole cube, that is 27 upon 2 root 2. Correct, students? Now 2 cancel, 3 3s and 3 by root 2 are either, and this will get cancelled with, see, this is what 54 upon root 2, right? 54 51 upon root 2 are. Just a minute. I did an error. Let's redo it. That is 2 into 3 by root 2 substitute karo, 27 upon root 2 minus 2 by 3 into 3 cube, 27 upon 2 root 2. Correct, students? So 2 into 2 cancel here, 3 9s and 27 upon root 2 minus 9 upon root 2, that is 18 upon root 2. Answer is 18 root 2. That's what answer is. Please write.